Creating and selling online courses is a powerful way to share your expertise, build a passive income stream, and reach students around the world. In this video, we'll walk through the key steps to creating and successfully selling your own online course. Step 1. Choose a profitable topic. The first step is to identify a topic that aligns with your expertise and has strong market demand. Research your potential competitors, look for gaps in the market, and validate your idea with potential students. Choose a topic that you're passionate about and that you know you can deliver high-quality content for. Step 2. Plan your course content. Once you've selected your topic, it's time to plan out your course content. Define your learning objectives, organize your material into modules and lessons, and create engaging assets like videos, slides, worksheets, and quizzes. Focus on creating a structured, step-by-step learning experience for your students. Step 3. Set up your online course platform. Choose a reliable online course platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific to host your course. Customize your course page with branding, descriptions, and optimizations to make it easy for students to find and enroll. Step 4. Market and promote your course. Building an audience and promoting your course is key to driving sales. Leverage social media, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and other strategies to reach potential students and build excitement around your offering. Step 5. Continuously improve and expand. Don't stop at just launching your course. Continuously gather feedback from students, implement improvements, and consider creating additional courses or expanding your existing one. This will help you keep your content fresh and relevant and unlock new revenue streams. Creating and selling online courses can be a highly rewarding and scalable business opportunity. By following these steps, you can develop a high-quality course, build an audience, and start generating passive income. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your online course journey today.